Mga sundalo ng Philippine Air Force masasabak din sa mga paghahanda ng seguridad na nakatakdang halalan sa bansa. Bahagi ng National Capital Regional Command ang isang batalyon ng Philippine Air Force na pinamunuan ni Lieutenant Colonel Otto Pasha, ang commander ng 750th Combat Wing Group ng Philippine Air Force na nasa ilalim ng pangangasiwa ng NCRCOM Commander Rear Admiral Feliciano Angue. Isa ang grupo ni Colonel Pasha ang dumalo sa Interfaith Rally sa Campo Aguinaldo bago sila i-send off sa mga destinasyon sa Camanava area. Ayon pa kay Colonel Pasha, malaking bagay umano para sa kasunduluhan ang prayer ng iba't ibang denominasyon. Ito ay nakapagtataas ng moral sa mga tropa ng pamahalaan.
Very significant, not only for the AFP but for the whole country. This only goes to show that we are dead serious in ensuring for credible elections. Enough na for politicians or for other people to disrupt the flow of development of our country. And your armed forces are really here to ensure that we will have a very credible and peaceful elections.
Sir, panawagan po sa ating mga kababayan, particular sa inyong area of responsibility tungkol sa security measures ninyo.
Yes, for Camanava area, we are prepared, 100% prepared for the coming elections. And for the past few years, hindi naman ganong violent or magulo dito sa Camanava area. We have been working together, as I mentioned, with the Northern Police District, and all systems are go, including with the private sectors, including Meralco and the Bureau of Fire, Bureau of Jail. So, kasi for the first time, yung Bureau of Jail prisoners will be allowed to vote. And agahan na lang po namin yung pag-ensure ng safety nila, and rest assured we are there. By the way, we also have tawag centers for Caloocan, Nabotas, Valenzuela, and lahat po yan ay maaaring yung tawagan, nandun po kami.
Si Lieutenant Colonel Otto Pasha, RH911, Bing Promento ng DZRH para sa Decision 2010. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!